What's up, everybody? Today I want to do a quick video. I want to talk about me that I'm gonna build a. I'm thinking of working on a project of building a new PC, a gaming PC, high-end gaming PC. As of right now, I'm pretty much running a decent computer. Uh, it runs a little bit decent for the gaming, but it runs well for internet editing, video editing. Does a great job at it because of the support of the CPU. Because the CPU right now I'm running Core 2 Dual, which is it's pretty good, and I got it for a good price. Let me show you how my computer runs. Um, right there, boom. It's pretty much how it looks like. It looks, I mean, your neon, your LED light looks nice, decent computer. Don't like the gaming, the not the gaming, but the graphic card. One of those standard graphic cards go only for like movies and stuff. I always want to get one for gaming. As for like there's the, pretty much the front deck of the computer. See right there, the front bus USB slot on the left side. It's broken, because it's running its course. I feel like switching that, but as well as this DVD burner down here. It's really messed up. Cause reason why I push the eject button and it doesn't open, it budges. The only way to have the try to open the the tray, you need to have a disc. And if you don't have a disc, you gotta keep pushing, back and forth the tray, the DVD burner, and once you have have it open, it's a relief. It's like for trouble like this, I have to put a disc in there, whatever. And here's the back of the computer. Running pretty good power supply, probably 650 watts of power. I'm running a pretty good computer, so and yeah, pretty much. Let's put this back here. There you go. Let's put it on here. Yeah. Let's put it on here. So basically, the rundown. This computer, like 320 gigs. I'm running this computer of hard disk space. I don't think they make those anymore. You rarely find 320 gigs. As right now, there's 500 and up. But yeah, I think rarely you'll see 320 gigs. Basically, this is my rundown on the computer that I'm working on my gaming rig. Basically, I want to get iCore 7. iCore 7 Intel CPU running but I think that one I believe is quad core. I don't know if I'm right or not, or 7 cores. I have no idea. I believe it's 7 cores. Asus to me, I think, is like the best motherboard out there. Asus or MSI motherboard gaming with USB 3.0. The front bus 3.0, as well as the DDR3. It has to be DDR3 because I don't want to be running DDR2. DDR3 I think is it's a little more expensive, but I think for me for games nowadays, like, it's capable of using DDR3 RAM, as well as try to get a really good. I want to try to get a good heat sink, so when I play these high-end gaming, these high-end games, I know they're gonna run powerful and it's gonna heat. So I want to get something really cool. You know, I want to try to get at least a terabyte, 1 terabyte of hard disk space, and at least 750 watts power supply. Yeah, I'll get a 750 watt power supply because that's pretty powerful. By the way, the two gaming graphic cards, I want to try to get GeForce. I don't think not GeForce. Yeah, NVIDIA GeForce. Yeah. I believe, is it GeForce? Yeah, I think it's GeForce. I'm a little lost. Yeah, NVIDIA GeForce. I want to try to get two. I want to run two NVIDIA GeForces for double the power of the gaming. So I'll probably run two, but I'll buy one by one for the graphic cards because they're pretty expensive. But as of right now, I'm gonna buy little by little, and when I'm gonna do a future video, not now, it's gonna take a while just to get these parts. Like even I'm gonna get a new case. I'm gonna get the whole shebang. This is gonna be a real deal, and I really want to start playing more PC games because like the experience is overwhelming. And I see videos of people who play PC games, and it's true, man. PC games is like it's a whole nother level. I want to go to the next step in gaming, and that's what I want to do. But not just gaming, you know, work on editing and stuff like that. And it really helps me do more videos. You know, I could do like 7 times the multitasking with because I want to run 4 gigs of RAM as well. Let you know, DDR3 4 gigs. But I mean, with 4 gigs of RAM, you could do like so much endless possibilities. I see people that run 8 gigs on their like gaming rig. Like 8 gigs is ridiculous. I rather run 4 gigs. What's the need for 8 gigs? That's just 8. I think 8 gigs for me, it's not like I shouldn't like need it. It's not necessary unless you want to run Windows operating Windows 7 64-bit edition. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm running 32-bit edition because I've been hearing that the 64-bit edition for some games it doesn't require, like, meaning if I play this game, Windows 7 64-bit edition is not operated with that game, so I can't do that. I can only that's why 32-bit edition runs all the games, so I don't have to worry. I'm running 32-bit. I'm not running 64, so I don't really need to worry. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Here, just updating that I'm building a new computer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So take it easy, guys.